Creating client-side applications without using a framework or library is hard. Often it degenerates into a tangled mess of nested callbacks and event handlers. We need help to develop coherent, readable, structured, testable, and maintainable client-side applications. Backbone contains tools and codified knowledge that minimize the difficulties. Backbone provides a set of tools for introducing structure into client-side applications. Models represent the data required by your application. They hold your application's data and raise events when data changes. Collections group models. They also forward events from the models they contain, as well as events of their own. The arrow here represents the dependencies, so collections depend on models. Backbone connects the various components indirectly using events. Events travel in the opposite direction to the dependencies shown. Views handle events from models and collections. They are responsible for rendering any markup. Views are the only Backbone component that typically interact with the document object model, so views can also handle events from the DOM. Backbone routers are used to simulate page changes and to provide support for page history and bookmarking. What I've shown here are not rules, but more like a starting point. In particular, a router may optionally depend on models or collections. What's shown in the diagram is the simplest configuration. Backbone is a loose collection of helpful components. You can use them any way that makes sense to you. Backbone has two required dependencies. Underscore.js is a library that provides functional programming support for JavaScript. Backbone provides many functions from underscore.js as methods on Backbone collections. Even when not using Backbone, underscore is a tremendously useful library. For dealing with the DOM and for making AJAX requests, Backbone requires jQuery or Zepto. Zepto is a lightweight alternative to jQuery with a largely compatible API. Zepto is popular for mobile projects, which usually don't have to support very many browsers.